Hey everyone, today let's dive into a world that's often overlooked but oh so vital to our existence. We're talking about the insect pollinators of the Marshall Islands. These tiny creatures play a massive role in maintaining the ecological balance of these beautiful islands. First off, let's meet the bees. You might think bees are all about honey, but here they're the unsung heroes of pollination. They flit from flower to flower, transferring pollen and ensuring that plants can reproduce. Without bees, many of the plants here wouldn't be able to set seed and produce fruit. Imagine the ripple effect that would have on the entire ecosystem. Next up, butterflies. These stunning insects aren't just pretty to look at, they're hard at work too. Butterflies are attracted to bright, fragrant flowers, and in the process they pick up and drop off pollen. Their long proboscides allow them to reach into flowers that other pollinators can't, making them crucial for certain plant species. And let's not forget the lesser-known heroes, beetles and flies. Beetles might not be as glamorous as bees or butterflies, but they do a lot of the heavy lifting. Some flowers are designed specifically to attract beetles, offering them food and shelter in exchange for their pollination services. Flies, on the other hand, are often overlooked, but they step in when bees and butterflies aren't around. They visit a variety of flowers and can be particularly important in colder or wetter conditions. So why should we care about these tiny insects? Well, without them, the Marshall Islands' rich biodiversity would be at risk. Plants rely on these pollinators to reproduce, and in turn, animals rely on the plants for food and shelter. It's all interconnected. What's more, many of the crops that islanders depend on for food are pollinated by insects. Think about it. Without these pollinators, the food supply could dwindle, impacting the local communities and their way of life. So protecting these insects isn't just about preserving nature, it's about sustaining human life too. How can we help? Simple actions can make a big difference. Planting native flowers can provide food and habitat for these pollinators. Reducing pesticide use and supporting organic farming can also go a long way in protecting them. So next time you see a bee buzzing around or a butterfly fluttering by, take a moment to appreciate the hard work they're doing. These small creatures are the backbone of a healthy ecosystem, and they deserve our respect and protection. Thanks for watching, and let's all do our part to support the incredible insect pollinators of the Marshall Islands. Catch you next time.